What's the difference between a prototype and a production sample? Most companies don't know the difference, and it costs them. A prototype isn't just a rough version of the product. It's something that we build to answer one overarching question: Is my design good? When the design only exists on paper, it's difficult to know if all the pieces are going to fit together and do what they're supposed to without some kind of unintended consequence. So we build something inexpensively and manually to answer that question. A lot of times we'll use different technologies and materials than would be used in manufacturing, and that's okay as long as you understand the difference and are sure that it doesn't keep you from answering those questions. Prototyping also is not a single event, it's an iterative process that actually cycles back through design. And a lot of times you're building smaller scale or subassembly prototypes to check one particular element or answer one specific question about the product with the goal of progressing towards a more fully integrated prototype later. A production sample, on the other hand, is something that happens much later in the process after the design has been validated. The factory builds the production sample to show you how well they can execute against the design. So, the difference between the prototype and the production sample is all of those questions that you have to answer before the design is ready for manufacturing. And even with a simple product, those questions are probably more plentiful than you expect.